The Schedule K-1 tax form is filed if you're part of a general partnership, limited liability partnership, or an LLC that has elected to be taxed as a partnership. In this video, we'll focus exclusively on Schedule K-1 of Form 1065 to be filed by partnerships. Make sure to use secure channels to fill out and submit your form. You can either download your copy from the IRS website or get the current revision of the Schedule K-1 tax form that you can edit, sign, and submit electronically at pdffiller.com. Take note, most of the information you'll need to complete your Schedule K-1 will come from the Income and Expenses section of Form 1065. The K-1 tax form is split into 3 parts. Start by indicating the beginning and the end of the reporting period. In Part 1, you will need to provide information about the partnership. Enter your partnership's employer identification number and contact information, and identify the IRS filing center you're sending Form 1065 to. In Item D, check the box if your partnership is a publicly traded partnership, with shares that are bought and sold on an established securities market. Proceed to Part 2 to provide information about partner status. In Item E, enter your taxpayer identification number or Social Security number. In Items F through I, enter your contact information, status, and whether you're a domestic or foreign partner. In Item J, report your share of the partnership's profits, losses, and capital. Use Item K to indicate your share of the partnership's liabilities or debts. For more information, see the IRS's instructions to Schedule K-1. Item L is for indicating your share of the partnership's income, withdrawals, and/or contributions you made. Item M is for indicating whether you've contributed property with a built-in gain or loss to the partnership during the tax year. Proceed to Part 3 to report your share of the partnership's income, loss, deductions, credits, and any other money you might have received in connection with your stake in the partnership. To fill out boxes 11 and boxes 13 through 20, you'll need to use the codes located on page 21 of the IRS instructions to Schedule K-1 form. You should be able to find this information in your business tax return, financial investments, partnership agreement, LLC operating agreement, and corporate bylaws. Just like the Form 1065 version, many of the sections in this portion may be left blank. When finished, you can save the resulting document to your device, print it out, or email it to your recipient in one click. Good luck, and don't forget to submit your Schedule K-1 before the due date established by the IRS.